So what you see here, that is actually the end result. Here's our target. Everything is keeping around it. Now, let's see how we begin. So, as we said, this is the incoming image. Okay, and here we have a tool which is actually the Proc Wizard running in parallel to the grabber for debugging. And here we had a user custom-made algorithm to do this thing. So the first thing is we added the ability to select the images. So I'm gonna now select the image processing and algorithms for recognition. So now the image that we will see will be a different one. And I have all kind of these sources, so we'll start with the image that the algorithm sees. And we'll change the data here. And so now it looks the same. The only difference is that now if we look at the grabber's width and height, we would see that it is only 1.25 width, and the same is for the height.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next step is to put this in binary information. So I'm going to change it to see a binary image. Okay, it would take time to see the binary because
right.
we have done all the images to look at.
Mm-hmm.
So now we can see the binary image that we received, and we'll move to see the algorithm binary image, and it takes time until it will appear, so we can just now stop and move to see the latest image, so we will have no delay as we change the algorithm.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the algorithm that we see, and we see here focusing on the target. It moves quite fast, so let's add some delay, like 5 frames per second, so we will be able to see the images as they are, and we can see the locations. This is after running the algorithms. Within the algorithm we have some erosion, dilation, thresholding that can change the algorithm.
Those functionalities can be act as libraries for the users?
Yes, the erosion and dilation are Gidel library. The threshold is a simple comparison, so it's less than a library. It's just bigger or smaller than a number.
Okay.
By the way, not only that we do the erosion and dilation within the FPGA and close and open, but these are with a circle erosion and dilation, and not step processing, which makes it square. It is very important in some cases where you want to measure distances and you then care about the angle, and if you do that as a square way, then you don't get the same distances. So this one is a round one. And so that's how we can do the debugging in parallel of this. And if you want to see some whole algorithms together, it's a mixed image, but it's an interesting one to see some, like over here we can see different parts of the algorithm. We can see in shading the original image. We can see two different images. One with all the crossing of the fan guard, and the other one is a clean after erosion and dilation for the algorithm to continue with. So these are just tools that a user can change and do according to the algorithms they would like to use, and this way easily to proceed and develop their own unique algorithm within the FPGA.
Okay. Thank you, Reuven, and good luck with the show.
Thank you and good luck.